it's Ethan at EJ Mac. Let's do some maintenance. Today we will be working on a 2003 Ford Ranger XLT 4-wheel drive level 2. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the part that I wasn't able to video for you. So you had the shackle bushing, which was like this, because there's two different bushings on it. The shackle bushing has a metal bearing in the middle, and then just a rubber on the outside. And then the one for the eyelet was as such. It had the metal bearing on the inside, rubber on the inside, and then a metal sleeve on the outside. This one was a little harder to get out. So for this one, all we had to do was spray WD-40 in here, drill it out with a drill bit, and it was able to loosen it up, and then I was able to press it out with a compressed air tool, an air chisel, air hammer, whatever you want to call it. And then for this one, it did exactly the same for that one, except once I got the middle metal bearing out and the rubber, I then had to get the air chisel and air hammer and just hook it just right on the edge and just basically destroy it, and then get a good niche in there and just press it right on out. Alright, now for the install and for the new bushings. So we actually upgraded from the rubber bushings to the polyurethane, which are stronger and last longer. And these also come with, like, I think a 2-year warranty. So what we would do is it's in 3 pieces. You got each half of polyurethane, and then you have a metal bushing bearing in the middle. So what you do is you take one side, put it in like this, boom, and then go to the other side, put it in as so, and then once it's in there, you then put the metal bushing in there, push it in as far as you can with your hand, and then I'd recommend a rubber mallet so then it wouldn't damage it. But as you're doing that, before you put it in, you want to put a little bit of the lubricant on it that hopefully comes with the new bushings, and kind of just looks like petroleum. It's kind of like a marine jelly, and you put it around there, and that's pretty much it. Tighten it up and torque it down. Alright guys, that wraps it all up. Appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe and like at the bottom. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, suggestions, anything. I'll comment and answer as soon as possible. Stay tuned. In the next couple of days or less, I'm going to be putting up a video for the same vehicle, and I will be doing an oil change and or a bulb replacement on each of the parking / side marker lights on the headlights. And EJ Mac out.